Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the obscure channel. Today we have a good banger for you guys. We have a BMW X6M that we're going to be hauling around the track for today, because today the goal is to beat the previous gen X6M that time on the Nordschleife Nürburgring. So stock, regular set, of course, the semi-slick tires, and yeah, we're gonna get right to it. And I'm gonna post a post on Instagram so we can see what the next car that you guys want to see, or also just comment down below what's the next car you guys want to see, because I'm ready to take any car that they have on a set of course of mines around this track. Truck, car, SUV, Jeep, don't care what it is, I will do it. So yeah, I guess we'll get right ahead into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, so we are now on the course. We're gonna go ahead and press this start button so we can go ahead and get out onto the track. Obviously no nannies, come on now, it's a set of course. Who even drives with nannies on a set of course? So yeah, I have traffic on, just a little bit of traffic, not too much. We have the SVJ on there, which sounds freaking crazy. Even if we can catch up to it, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch up to it. I'm kind of starting on the track quietly. Let's get out on the track. Okay, so we're actually gonna be able to catch up to people right now. Hopefully I don't catch up to the NSX, because that truck is really slow. It's going to be really hard to get around the NSX. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get that traction. No, off. There we go. And that's, ooh, that's the F83. Yeah, the F83 with the gunshot tune. That thing sounds crazy. The SBJ is up there also. So yeah, goal for today's video. Oh, you probably can't even hear me. That thing is so loud. Stop revving. Why is the AI even revving? I can't even hear my car. I can't even hear myself. Jeez, that thing is loud. Okay, so yeah, goal for today's video is to beat their previous gen X6M Nordschleife time, which was 8 minutes 24 seconds, I believe. Either 8 minutes 24 seconds, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Which that year actually was the same. It was the same time as the E90, E92 chassis, M3. It was the same time as that, which is surprising. That means that, you know, the previous gen X6M came pretty freaking good. Will I be able to say the same about this? We'll see. This thing feels like a freaking boat, and I don't know how I'm gonna hustle it around the ring that quick. But hey, it's possible. It's possible. I wouldn't say I'm a seasoned person of the Nürburgring, or like on sim, but I have done tours over and over and over and over and over again for a very long time. With a big truck like this, no. So my lines might be a little bit messed up with this truck, because it is not easy to get it to do what you want it to do. Although it is a BMW. Wait, my fastest time on Nürburgring with was a 716, which is with a 458 Italia. Had a little you know, tune on it, of course. So it was on Gran Turismo. New Gran Turismo 7 was a 717. Fastest time on Assetto is a 720, which was with Huracan Performante. And then now also my previous best lap time on PC was 7. See, I can't pay attention, and I can't talk and pay attention to this track. But it was a 7 minute 26 second lap time with the M8 competition. So yeah, not too bad, I would guess, you know. Will just spin. Well, it won't spin, but it'll be very upset with you. And then you go out wide, turn in hard, get into that apex right there. Next apex, and full gas out, and pass a NSX with the X6M. Imagine that. Imagine that. And get a nice little braking zone into here. Copy, stay on 4th. This, we'll go 2nd, just in case. Oops, hit a little bit of this rumble strip. Not supposed to do that on Nürburgring. There's only a certain rumble strips you can actually hit. That was not supposed to be one of them. But being that we're in a truck, way bigger than car than I'm usually used to, you know, I give myself a pass. I hate this corner so much. I always end up crashing on this corner. Like, I don't know. I just will never know how to properly take that corner. Never. Like, ever since I always been on Nürburgring, that corner, I always just went slow on because I just never wanted to actually like go full balls to the wall to that corner, because I used to always end up like understeering and then hitting the wall. Oh, that thing sounds beautiful. Oh, those shifts against the wall sounded so good. And then this corner, you come up heavy, you're gonna be braking. Probably broke a little bit too early, but you brake to the outside right there to the concrete and just go full gas in once you hit the apex. Probably broke a little bit too early right there, but it's just because, you know, it's a big truck. The brakes probably aren't like the best. So we just, you know, did a little bit early right there, just so we can, you know, make sure we're safe and not crash again. Because we will make it around this course. 1 lap. We will do it. We will do it. So we're going to do it. So we're going to not go that fast into that corner because I don't want to understeer like it is now. Jesus. This thing is a big mama. Oh my gosh, we're about to get into the technical side of the course now. So not ready. So not ready. So it's like my favorite like part of the course because it's like very technical, but at the same time, like with this X6M, I don't know how it's gonna be. Oh my gosh, that M4 is so loud behind. That's the M4 F83 gunshot too. Thing is very loud, and I'm not trying to let him pass me because I don't want him to. You know what? We're gonna let him pass. Oh, that was close. Now I usually don't brake that much right there, but with this I kinda had to. Oh, it's gonna be very scary, this section with this freaking truck. Very scary with this truck through this section. I'm taking it very cautious because I don't know how it's gonna react to all these corners. Oh mama. We hit the rumble strip right there. It was not supposed to hit that one. The next one, yeah, but not that one. Oh, this thing is humongous. So this one, you can actually run the rumble strip along the outside. And then hard on your brakes. And get through here. But on the outside, you can hit that rumble strip. And then my favorite corner. And the NSX is gonna mess it up. The NSX is gonna mess up my favorite corner. Are you kidding me? I can't get past him. Oh my gosh, come on, move. He's gonna hit me. He's gonna hit me. He's gonna hit me. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even go fast on my favorite corner. Nice. I love that little jump at the end. I usually love hitting it, but this NSX is in the way. Ooh, please. I need this track time. Oh man. This card is crazy. And we're gonna run brakes early right here just in case. Oh wow, that understeered so hard right there. Gonna run that outside. then around mini carousel, and then jump out onto the outside and come back in, basically following the NSX line. Yes, we passed them, and into the corner. Oh, and inside. Come on, are we gonna beat the time? Are we gonna beat the time is the question. We will see. Watch the top left corner, we're gonna see if it beats the time. We're gonna see. And we got a 7 minutes and 51 seconds. Look at that. Not too bad, I could say. Not too bad at all. Let's hear some shifts. I want to launch it. Just listen to the symphony. Okay, there's no I don't have launch control on. That was sounded so good. So good. Now, since this is rear wheel drive bias, I wonder, can it slide? It's possible. Oh, I did not see that. Want to launch it one more time. This thing sounds so good launching. Uh-oh, we're gonna die. We died. Alright. We'll launch it elsewhere. This thing sounds so good. Just hear the ships, Oh my gosh, this thing sounds so good. Love how it sounds, man. Alright guys, so for this last section of the video, I'm going to be just I'm gonna let you guys watch the regular POV lap without any cuts or anything. This is actually the next lap of this is the next lap after the lap you guys just saw, which the flybys were actually from this lap because I forgot to record the flybys for the previous lap. So this lap was just a regular POV. I did a lot better because I wasn't talking. So yeah, here's this, and like I said, comment below what you guys comment below what car you're gonna do for next video, and yeah, pick a track, pick a car, do a track car combination, and I'll see what I can do. Next, honestly, I really want to take the Pagani Harbor BC around Hockenheim. I think that's how you say the track. But yeah, I want to take it around. I want to first learn Hockenheim, then take it around Hockenheim and do a video for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep watching if you want. But if not, like, comment, subscribe, and do the whole thing. Road to 100 still, yes sir. And remember guys, keep driving.